High-tech exercise clothing has been around for a while, but most of it is decidedly not high-tech, and the items that are require electricity to keep you cool. But now researchers say they've discovered a fabric that can actually keep your body temperature down without electricity, which they say may someday even replace air conditioners. Scientists use a method called electrospinning, allowing them to combine a water-repellent polyurethane with boron nitride nanosheets, a thermoconductive filler. The combination blocked water from entering the fabric from the outside, but allowed sweat to evaporate from the wearer's body, with the nanoparticle filler conducting heat away from the body at the same time. According to the researchers from Donghua University in Shanghai, China, this type of cooling solution will be necessary as the demand for air conditioning continues to rise with the planet's temperature, adding that cooling off a person's body is far more efficient than cooling an entire room or an entire office building, with cooling fabrics being a far greener option than CO2-producing air conditioning units.